Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest debates in e-commerce, Shopify Dropshipping versus Amazon FBA. As someone who's tried both, I have some insights and tips to share with you on which one might be the better option for your business in 2023. We'll go over the pricing, features, and what each platform can do for your business. And remember to leave a like and subscribe for more if this video helps you make a decision. My name's Alex. Let's talk about which platform is right for you. All right, Shopify Dropshipping versus Amazon FBA. And I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with at least one of these logos right here. But if not, no worries. We're gonna start by going over what each one of these are, and then we'll compare the two. So starting with Shopify, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a fulfillment method in which the retailer holds no inventory. All orders are routed to a third-party supplier who takes care of shipping and handling for you. You have the ability to build branded websites and stores by signing up for Shopify, and you're attempting to build lifelong relationships with each customer by using funnels, upsells, email flows, and all of the tools you get by signing up for Shopify. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is that the seller doesn't have to worry about storing, packing, or shipping any of the products. This makes it a popular choice for entrepreneurs who want to start an e-commerce business without a lot of capital or inventory. All right, moving over to Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. Similar to dropshipping as far as fulfillment is concerned, orders are routed to Amazon and they're fulfilled by them directly with their own packaging and branding. You are in charge of your own inventory. You'll have to order pallets directly to Amazon warehouses for them to scan in and take control of. Sellers can take advantage of Amazon's large customer base and reputation for fast and reliable shipping. It also allows sellers to focus on growing their businesses rather than worrying about logistics and fulfillment and everything that comes with starting your own business. All right, now let's talk about the pricing and the seller fees for each platform. This should allow you to narrow down your options and make an informed decision on which platform is right for your business. For Shopify Dropshipping, Shopify charges a monthly fee starting at $29 a month for their basic plan, up to $299 per month for their advanced plan. All you really need to get started is that $29 a month plan. In addition to the monthly fee, Shopify charges transaction fees ranging from 2.4% to 2.9% depending on the plan. This fee can be reduced by using Shopify Payments, their in-house payment processor. Dropshipping suppliers may charge fees for their products as well as shipping and handling. For Amazon FBA, Amazon charges a referral fee, which is a percentage of the product's selling price ranging anywhere between 6 and 45% depending on the product category. In addition to the referral fee, Amazon charges a fulfillment fee, which covers the cost of storing, picking, packing, and shipping the product. This fee varies based on the product size and weight, starting at $2.50 per unit for the standard size items weighing less than 1 pound, up to $137.32 per unit for oversized items weighing more than 150 pounds. There's also a monthly inventory storage fee, which ranges from 75 cents to 15 cents per cubic foot, depending on the time of year and the type of product that you're selling. Amazon also charges a subscription fee for their professional selling plan, which starts at $39.99 per month. Staying on topic, but moving on, overall the pricing and fees for Shopify Dropshipping and Amazon FBA can vary depending on the products being sold and the seller's business needs. It's important for sellers to carefully consider the costs and benefits of each platform before choosing which one to use. It might seem confusing at first, but the main points you guys want to focus on are the monthly fees, the transaction fees, the storage fees, and the fulfillment fees. You guys need to keep in mind that it costs money to make money. Now let's actually compare the two options and see the benefits you get for using each platform. Starting with the benefits of Amazon FBA, you get access to Amazon's vast customer base and brand recognition. You have reliable and fast shipping for customers through Amazon Prime. You have the ability to use Amazon's advertising and marketing tools to reach new potential customers. Amazon takes care of storage, packing, and shipping, allowing sellers to focus on other aspects of their business. You have the potential for higher sales volume due to Amazon's popularity and trust with customers. Now the benefits of Shopify Dropshipping. You have the ability to create a branded store with custom domains, logos, and your own designs. You have full control over the product selection, your pricing, and your marketing strategies. You have the opportunity for email marketing, upsells, and sales funnels to increase your revenue. you have flexibility to sell a wide range of products without being limited to Amazon's categories and requirements. You have better SEO optimization as Shopify allows for greater control over your metadata and your website structure. And you also have lower costs and fees compared to Amazon FBA. Now, which platform is actually the better option? In my humble opinion, after doing both, but sticking with Shopify dropshipping for the last 5 years, I said in 2023, dropshipping may be the better option for certain reasons, such as the growing popularity of e-commerce and online shopping as more people turn to the internet for their shopping needs, the increased importance of branding and customer experience, which can be greater achieved through a custom Shopify store built by you, the potential for higher profit margins as dropshipping allows for greater control over your pricing and product selection, and the ability to build a loyal customer base through email marketing, upsells, and sales funnels. Last but not least, you have the opportunity to differentiate from your competitors by offering unique and niche products which may not be available on Amazon. Hopefully this video helped you decide which platform is right for your business in 2023. If you need help finding the right products to sell, then sign up for my winning product notifications linked down below. And if you found any value in this video, consider sharing it with others, leaving a like, and subscribing for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.